Welcome, and today we master the art of cash flow management. Profit is what comes when you do your thing, and cash is what you have when you do your best. Cash flow management ensures a company keeps funds in business. Cash flow management is the process of tracking money coming in and going out. Gross profit equals sales revenue minus the cost of goods sold. Accrual accounting records revenue before cash is received. There are two methods of recording cash flow, direct and indirect. Code blocks track each dollar transaction in real time. पसंद है श्रोता अब businesses report negative cash flow at some point. The bank balance and loan balance overlap at every check. Monthly operating cash burn average as to always 2 million last quarter. Repeated cycles of payment and collection keep the business alive. Every dollar moved creates movement within the financial ledger. A healthy cash reserve transforms the company during slow months. A neural network predicts upcoming cash shortfall by data patterns. The gears of the banking system turn in perfect sync with the market. Sales increased by 15% while operating expenses rose by 58%. The debt obligations and equity holdings overlap in the balance sheet. Rows show cash available, cash needed, and cash flow for Carthian. The annual review resets the calendar and adjusts targets. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe to New